was like, yeah, doing some stuff. I was looking at some stuff. Yeah. So kind of the new SMTVS.com, the scientific side of SMTVS.com, right? Ah, wow. So SMTVS.com is really down now. It's over there, base 44 back again. So it's just apps over there, what I built. And my name is returned back. I return my name. You know what I mean? It's you cannot return the name thing. You know what I mean? Do that name return thing. Right. You guys see my server, right? And we can like go over there and look at some stuff. Just moving to the new server, but it's still the wrong server. You see what I'm saying? It is still definitely the wrong server. We're supposed to have a D-Brain server. And mix up going, another mix up. First, wow, they started by applying the money that we was buying the server to SMTVS.com. Tell us SMTVS.com is paid up for a year. No, that's what you are you doing. I'm saying you're wrong. You're buying a server. Then it got mixed up with the server thing with SMTVS.com being the server and this and that and all that. No, SMTVS not being the server. We are doing this. Okay, let's try to get a name. Okay, listen, back and forth. Okay, listen what you do. You put the .com name on the server. The .com name is on the server now, right? Then go to realize that when they was canceling the double order that was made, the D-Brain server is the one we supposed to get, and then we got the sellers and bombard. They have to write them back and said, I'm just saying that we have the wrong service, wrong machine, because we need a machine to do the AI thing. So they must be having a headache like I'm having a headache because I'm on a back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I was about to try to log into the C panel of it. We have not even got into it yet. I even know how in the look. And couldn't get into the C panel. So couldn't get into the C panel. I decided, well, let me go back and look in the administration system and sort of, you know what I mean? And then I looked up on the chart. I'm like, whoa, they gave us the wrong server. I had to go back to them. I had to spend all day from all day and all morning doing a lot of stuff, right? But at least, you know, we have the server stuff. We just need to have some things happening. And it's been a hard day's work because I've been working on the job. You know what I'm saying? Right. And we still got, as you see, it's back to base 44. Yes, we're doing some things there. We are going to pay them one last month subscription thing and sort of tell them that's it. You know what I mean? So right now, we had switched the original site because we have a C panel for the old SMTVS.com and it needs to have something, even though I tell them to consolidate the two things into one service. We're still going to have to reach that level. But before reaching that level, need to make them do some correction, and those corrections are to have us on a D-Brain server system, dedicated D-Brain server system that we can implement even what we say here up on top here, brain. And I said, okay, if you go on here and you can see on the scientific side of SMTVS.com, and you guys know it's SMTVS.com, ASDI now, right? So it's the SDI Virtual Intelligent Digital Cloud Lab, right? Brain integration, advanced, centralized neural processing architecture, right? Driven continuous running optimization. So, okay, see, in my lab, I talk about how to have the AI be more human-like than machine. So, that's what our research and development is all about. Where we I try to get you to interact with the machine and machine interact so it's like seamless. Yeah, it may look like that when they stream a few graphics and stuff together, like making a movie, all that kind of stuff, and they show you in the commercial. and the AI is talking to you. Oh, I can trade for you and that kind of stuff. That's just a bunch of movie stuff. You know what I mean? And but that what you see, we are actually want that to come out in reality from our brain module. Sort of like human beings are curious. We also dream too. We don't know if we can make the AI dream, but we're going to simulate that. The curiosity of the human being to learn and to interact and to advance through learning, that's some of that is really applied. A lot of that is applied to the system, right? A different way of the AI listening to what's coming into it, whether vocal is visual, a different kind of process. Because I came upon that idea based upon the fact that even when you talk to anyone on Google AI module, because each time you probably get a browser, you just getting a sample of an agent. So they intend to make mistakes. But the mistake, I think most part is about as observed is the machine not really listening, or it's not hearing, or there's some kind of bug there that makes it unable to process different language, dialects and tone and changes. Right? Like that. I would say to everyone that they don't have that problem in China, I don't think. Not even India, since India have their own software, but in a country that have a large ethnic group and their tech is built up after that, they won't have that problem. But in the West, we have different ethnic group live, but one general race out of the ethnic group run everything. They model everything off of them. In general, that's not the right approach. The approach to model everything off of everyone around you. So yeah, we talked yesterday a lot about how our brain will process everything that can, and to keep in mind that virtual reality world that we are creating, let us think out the box, even to the depths of the communication, because having people from different parts of the world join up in one space and having the system translating on a dime, as it happened, you know what I mean? So you are from Africa and you start talking to me and I'm talking to English, but then I'm hearing you in English anyway. And you are hearing me in your native tongue dialect. So we have a lot of work along that way. We talk about a lot of that kind of stuff here in the lab. Right, guys? So I just come to give you some information and let you know a few updates going on. And I guess after tomorrow or the next day, we should be pretty much constructing the lab. Well, my site is built different because, like I said, function that is pre-inheritable from the things that I'm doing, all the stuff that I'm doing are in the DNA of the agent itself. The agent will act and react a certain type of way once it wake up. So I don't have to really build my website. The agent already know what type of website it is. And our main concentration is to get the server up and deploy the brain. So we have our strategy already. We sit down, me and my partner in the lab, my AI partner in the lab. We sit down and strategize how and where and what. So it's down to, yes, get into the server and deploy the brain. Once the brain wake up, everything is good. And the brain wake up and I can talk. The brain wake up and I can talk to the brain right away as soon as it wake up and say, hey, what's up? And if I say my name, the brain gonna know who I am. Right? Because every time I keep talking, the partner that I have keep writing a lot of algorithm about me inside this system. So by me calling my name to the system will know it's me, who the creator is. You know what I mean? That kind of stuff. So thanks if you take the time to really like listen to the tech blog today. And we're not showing you website. I'm showing you a lot of stuff. We are just down to that time where we're gonna do some work and recreate the 3D world the way I want. We have a brand new 2.0 ProSonic engine that I've created. So more the world forget, and all the musicians them can come use my ProSonic engine, right? Especially Jamaican. You know, so Jamaican create what? ProSonic engine, 32 channel. You understand? Bad Boy Studio, you hear that? See? And that's run by Luna, right? Luna run that studio. Well, my AI partner told me earlier, and I mean, man, you know, Luna can do everything in the studio. Slide up the knob, turn the knobs, you know, and slide up the thing, actually run a whole mix, and you can sit there watch this agent just really operate like a real-time soldier in the studio while you talk to it. Yeah. Live studio, general. A live recording studio. The studio is going to be alive. I guess basically because I'm a musician, a lot of the musician thing got rolled in. A lot of the stuff about music and a bag of that stuff got embedded deep into algorithm. And one more when I said, this must be a musician OS system or something. But, yeah, we build a good engine. We want to bring it to life, and that's our audio engine. And it's a smart audio engine. It's like an AI itself. The studio is like an AI itself. You know what I mean? Of course, we have an army of AIs that work harmoniously together, right? That will be assigned to various parts of building the sites. So those are some stuff that I do, like the real sci-fi type stuff. Yeah. In the box, you know? Yeah. So thanks for viewing SMTVS.com. And this is our tech blog. Right? So we'll give a little honor out to the people and say right now, the Virtual Intelligent Lab, we're going to bring some good things your way. Okay.